Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today, Bitcoin is once again rejected by the resistance of the neckline of this head and shoulder pattern, the inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in today's video, we will take a look whether the price line will recover from here and it will break out the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern, and also this very big resistance of the falling wedge, the bigger falling wedge, where it is going to move more down from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to show you this very big falling wedge pattern. And we have already seen that previously. Here Bitcoin also formed another falling wedge pattern, and that was, by the way, back in the month of March 2021. And after breaking out this falling wedge pattern that was started from March 2021 and broke out here in the month of July 2021, the price line rallied very well, and this is the second falling wedge pattern that Bitcoin is forming above the support of $28,600. This is really very important support of $28,600, and we can see after January 2021 price line never broke down this support. We tested this support here, we tested this support here and here, by the way, and once more we are testing the support here, and we have this time the 200 weekly simple moving average just below the support of this falling wedge pattern and $28,600. So far the price line dropped up to $25,400. That was in the week in the previous week, and right now we are still moving above the support of $28,600. And as I've been telling you in my previous videos, that Bitcoin never broke down this 200 weekly simple moving average. As you can see here, back in June 2015, it has tested the support 2 times, could not break it down. Then again tested it here in December 2018, again tested it here in March 2020, but could not break it down. And therefore, in my opinion, if Bitcoin will be moved more down, then in the worst case scenario, it can test the 200 weekly simple moving average, this red line. And right now the value of 200 simple moving average is at $21,950. You can watch the value here, $21,957. And Bitcoin has also never broken down the previous high as well. So for example, if we will have more drop, then that can be only a spike, like we had here, a long spike to the downside, but could not break down this 200 simple moving average. Same as like that, it can spike up to the previous high, that is $20,000. But right now the Bitcoin did not break down this support. Therefore, it is possible that after some accumulation above this support and the support of this falling wedge as well, we will have another reversal move to the upside to break out the next resistance. The price level resistance we have at 33K, and this resistance of the falling wedge will be approximately at $35,500 to $36,000. Now, if we take a look at the oscillator, then stochastic is completely oversold on the weekly time frame. And even if we switch to the monthly time frame, then stochastic has entered the oversold zone for the 3rd time in the history of Bitcoin. First was here back in January 2015 to August 2015, and again it entered here back in November 2018 to March 2019 or April 2019, and right now it has just entered once again in the oversold zone. And you can see whenever it enters the oversold zone and the stochastic turns bullish, price line follows the signal of stochastic, and we are having very massive rallies towards the upside. But if we switch to the smaller time frame, then here Bitcoin has formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern. This is, by the way, 4-hourly time frame chart, and we are getting rejected again and again by this resistance of inverse head and shoulder. The support for this pattern is the right shoulder, and if I place here at the right shoulder this trend line, then we can see the support is showing at $561, approximately at this support of $28,600 that I was showing you here. and price line is not breaking down this support as well, but it is testing the support again and again. For example, it tested the support here, it tested the support here, and right now we are moving down. We move very close to this support. Today we had a drop up to $28,694, almost tested this support. And the more we will test the support, the more there will be chances that the price line will break down the support. And if we take a look at the daily time frame, then what happens whenever we are touching this support of $28,600? For example, we touch this support here on 22nd of June 2021, and we just touched here and moved up. And before that, we tested this support here in the month of January 2021. We touched this support here, moved up again, almost tested this support here, and we had a very, very big rally. But right now, what's happening here, after testing the support, we are not able to start the rallies like we are doing previously, Bitcoin was doing previously. And the more it will test the supports, the more there will be chances for the support to collapse very soon. And if I switch back to the 4-hourly time frame again from here, then we can see now it is more likely to be a descending triangle rather than a head and shoulder pattern. And the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern is now the resistance of this descending triangle, and here we have the support. And now, for example, if the price line breaks down this support, let me show you the targets to the downside and also to the upside as well. First of all, if we will break down the support, then the target to the downside will be here, approximately at $25,137, very close to this drop that we had previously on 12th of May. And for example, if we will break out the resistance from here, then the next target to the upside will be $34,200. And now we can see that the movement of the price line is very squeezed. You can see that the triangle is also getting very squeezed. So soon it can break out or break down the resistance or support, and we need to keep an eye on these support and resistance, the immediate support and resistance. And let me show you one more thing. We have the next key support on the daily time frame, the next important resistance here, that is at $33,000. And for example, if we will break out the triangle, then there will be also chances that we will also break out the next very, very important resistance of $33,000 as well. And there will be a probability that we will also try to make another attempt to break out this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because there I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.